I'll be going na to Paris.
Wala ka tatay.
Mamimiss ka namin.
Uy, ito siya ka na lang yung color blue. Ako anong price? Uy, no! Ayaw! Hindi siya ayos dito, be, please.
Hala, nalimtan ako ang ice.
Please.
Bato-bato pick ka. Humpiang tang, wala eh siya magkuha.
Kamu lang doon.
Ah? Ashley! Humpiang!
Ikaw nga ito. Hoy, kumpiyan ka ba?
Sige, humpiang again. Sige, second chance! Second chance! Pag ikaw makuha, paan ni. Wala ka. Humpiang! 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 Sige, humpiang! Ay, ka!
Nisabutan ninyong duha. No. Kaya ikaw naman nasa taas, te.
Ito. Sige na.
Frog!
Isa ka bowl na lang ko, para di na ako mabalik.
It's so tired.
Sige na, pagkuha nag-ice stick to. It was fair and square, bro.
Gani mag-live sa pool ang mga gwapa day. Ani tay.
Basig mamiss ni mo mga food here sa Philippines at
Take na cloud na.
It's normal.
wala ako ka-eat.
Very love mangod pa niya. Good, guys.
Gosh, yung
Uy, natulog ako mataya.
I didn't mean to.
Ano, luto ka niya guys, si Ashley.
Lagi ko maluto na.
Ito gusto, be.
Pagkaon.
Gusto ka pa, itat ka
Ako gusto kong croissant from Paris. And
ayaw daw, daghan na kay tog yogurt gamay na ko gidungag. Tumigil ka, hindi natin ito mauubos.
Yak, so yangay.
Oo na, dugay mo unta na kuman.
Laban na kaya kong ulo.
Small sips. Uy, ayun mo Mom, ano na? Hindi magun. Dapat biha pag mawala ko, ayaw mo pag-away ha. Sabi mo na, sabi siya from friend niya.
I didn't.
You said, it was on video.
I didn't say that, everyone. Everyone. This is my frog lyric. No, I hate frogs. Minor moments. Junior high school moments.
Look,
I want milk because I'm still a baby.
this is not the milk.
Okay, okay.
Bullshit ka.
Cause like, oh my god.
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
I don't end my TikTok.
Bye-bye, guys.
Naka-play, mag-video ka. Dili multitasker ako phone.
Gani. Bye.
Multitasker ko.
Bye. It's for your future. Mamimiss ko lang po siya kaya umiiyak. Pero it's for her future.
Tanong mo ba?
Ayan, naulo!
Shots. Look. Sa video na ko. Awkward lagi to.
So cute!
Still has an empty side to it, where this is full of clothes now. And sorry for my soapy face. I'm gonna put some shoes and the things na gipadala sa akin ni mama. For this one, for that one, my carry-on, I can say na I'm ready. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror. Nakuha na ko yung travel clearance from the SWD. So, the ticket, the travel clearance, the visa are all done. Finally. And now, just packing. Because in 2 days, today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. And in 2 days, I'll be going na to Paris. So, hopefully, everything goes well sa flight. And sana hindi ako maharang. I'm gonna turn it into an off-shoulder top. Let's see what will happen. Oh, look at this. This outfit ko is kanina like 30 minutes ago I was finding an outfit for tomorrow because tomorrow will be my despedida / debut party. I planned this for 2 days. Nung Wednesday lang, today is Thursday, so kahapon lang. And bale, all I planned is the venue and the food, and that's all. So hopefully all goes well tomorrow. So here's my outfit. Bale, tomorrow is my despedida. I'm gonna vlog it. Then on Saturday, I'll be flying to Paris na. So I'm very much excited.
I just wanted to say goodbye to Ate Jessie. What can you say? What can you say? Bye, Mami-miss ka namin. Mamaya ko Dili na ni mo makita ang pagka-OA ni Ashley. What can you say to Ate Jessie? Ano ko ba? What can you say to Ate Jessie?
ate.
Wait, wala man. Ready?
Hi guys, so it's me and we gonna interview someone na important sa kanyang life. Hindi niya alam na nag-video ako nito. So, yun, makikita mo. Maya na kasi may ginagawa pa kasi siya. Come here, pasok tayo. Pasok tayo sa upstairs. Kasi. Yan na, pag-link niya. Oh, ayun, ano to. Last message for message please. Last message. Dili ka madungog. Dili ka madungog. Bye-bye. Ayaw kalimot ni Tata. Pag-itay siyang upcoming ko ha. Ikaw. Last message. Last message. Gaon. Last message for Tijasi. Message for Tijasi. Ay, tama na. Sa likod. Hi. I know this is, your much awaited time. So, I'm happy for you. Kay finally, na-grant na yun ni Lord ang desire sa iyong heart. Hopefully, maging happy ka dito, no? Suma ni si Louie. Hopefully, kani si Louie. Bago. Big two, charas. Bitaw. Enjoy lang, be. Ayaw kayo ka-pressure kay, ang real world mag-start, mag-graduate ka ka, So, pag in kaso, you feel lost, sad ka, lonely, or apaka-OA. So, tawagin lang, be. Huwag ka away lang. Enjoy, and ayaw kayo ma-pressure ha. Ayaw tingin sa mga. Enjoy life. See you soon. Wala pa ka nagtudlo sa ko mag-makeup. So na lang tayo. No, love you. Ako siya sa mga tao ba? Sige, dali. Ay, makita mo niya. Yan na kaya wala siya kabalo. Ay, ka na message siya, Jancy. Message. Be, ingat ka doon. We love you. Alam mo, Be, mamimiss ka namin. Huwag mo kaming kalimutan. Araw-araw mag-cellphone. Usap tayo araw-araw, gabi-gabi, okay? Bye-bye. Hanap pa ng boyfriend doon, okay? Nag-message ka ni Jassy. Message. Message. Ano sabihin mo? Ayaw. Ayun, yababa na lang. Yababa. Ano kung message to your daughter. Message to your daughter.
Ha?
Message. For her.
Chat lang na po.
You're here on the screen. On the screen. L.
Ano mag-English man dyan?
Ay, sige, dili na. Ayaw pa nga. Seryoso ah?
Plant the bomb on the Eiffel Tower. Na?
Dili, message ma. Message yun. Plant the bomb in the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so we're gonna delita. Kao, we have, delita.
We're gonna interview someone.
Dili, kitan tulo, our message.
Ako na.
Sige, ikaw na.
Hello, te. Gawin na po sa light. Oy. Mamimiss ka namin and nunta, di mo limtan and hatagi na sana kapag dili ni Wait, balik na.
Kano, anak. Okay, go.
Hello, te. Mami ka namin and sana, ayun, di mo malimtan and hatagid og afam si Ashley.
Next Lucia.
Ano ako kulas?
Ayaw pa kabila-bila nila. Ako may favorite kasi. Hindi ka. Ako last. Sige, go.
Mabuhay ka ng gusto mo.
Mama ni siya pulos.
Actually, mayroon akong gibutang dito sa letter. Like, gamay rajud kayo, pero taas to siya.
Ay,
Basta ka ng ano lang siya, basta gamay ra to siya.
Ate Jessie, I know you can see us because the light is reddening and we will miss you and I'm going to cry. Basahan na lang ako nasa letter. Nasa letter na ang lahat. I don't want to speech because I'm not very that affirmative person but yeah, that's it.
Ganito habang ano,
Shut up!
habang type ko sa letter, I'm crying.
Yeah, ikaw, anong thoughts mo while doing the letter? You're cramming it, di ba?
Oo, pero gabi din ako gibuhat kay para hinihilak pud ko no. Gabi na ako gibuhat kay para di makita
Dapat
ni mama
basahon
nga
na lang
nihilak ko.
niya. Para makita ang
Pero
reaction.
ako ang grammar.
Dilaan naman siya, wala na siya pakialam sa grammar.
Pero
Sige lang,
wala
sige
na
lang.
ko to, kulang pagod to. Ako pagod to tatong dagdagan pero wala na ako kabaloon. Saan ako pag-start na po sa bag-o.
Ay, paano na siya magkakasahon natin? Gusto ko makita yung reaction.
Ay, no!
Okay. We're going inside na kasi it's hot na here.
Oh,
Uy, kailangan ko na mag-speech.
Ha? Kasi speech dili man na mo. Sister ba sa tanan? Message.
Asa mo punta na eh?
It's an everyday I think of
Hi, Jazz.
holding
Good luck.
back and
Ingat dito. Asa mang video diyan eh? Ano na? Ingat dito. Then, study hard. Follow ka na, love ka na mo dere. Amping dito permen, ha? Ako na bala sa kuha nito. For the future na. Love you.
So guys, nag-cry na si ate. Nasa sa CR, hindi natin CR. Nahilak siya, ambot nga. Doon siya sa kuwang. Nahilak siya ka na ako. Nahilak siya guys. Nahilak siya. Isa yung gano'n. La!
Basahan na lang yung letter.
It's your turn to shine. Good evening, everyone. For Jazz, I thank you kay katong, especially katong time ng pandemic na wala ka makaistorya si Jazz kung katong sa and sa
Dito siya, kanang siya mo isa. Adili po, ma-experience po din. Ma-experience po niya ba na ito ko sa mga. Pero ako masulti lang sa mga.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you instructions for the clinic. To see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing the song. Time again I'll go to my reality. Revolution. But you always keep a figment of my mind. Guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep them my fingers up. Till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea.
Just fresh.
Fell asleep. Didn't even know what I should have let go. Thought I knew and I knew it for sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Paint every star with the moon we see. My heart is yours to keep. Color the dark with a song to keep. Please don't let me leave. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song.
Yabre mo dun ako. Nahulog siya sa chain. Dapat to sa x-ray, paggawas. Feeling ako, pag pick up na ako, nasabit somewhere.
Welcome to France. Cheers, cheers.
Hey guys, and it's been 3 weeks since I arrived here. I just want to thank my family, friends for being supportive of my decisions and supporting me throughout the journey of coming here. I know it was hard for them, and I know that it was really sad with me leaving there, and so thankful for them. So, if you're watching this, I really thank you for the support and love that you have given for me. Yeah, I'm way past the crying point, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching my vlog, and see you guys in the next ones. Bye.
Have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend? Have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend? My boy.
Landscape, kaya include na ko sa vlog.
Include sa vlog ni... Respect my privacy.